Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer data from Android to Android free. If you want to transfer your data and free from your Android to Android phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to install a third-party app for this. Here's the Easy Share app, just open it on your both phones, and here you just have to select file transfer and then choose the same option in the second phone, and here you have to select from which phone you want to send and from which phone you want to receive. I'm going to select send from this phone and receive on this phone. So it will start scanning for the nearby devices. So you just have to wait for it until it scan the name of the device. If you can't get it, just tap on scan to connect to scan a QR code, or you can get the name here. Just tap on it and it will start connecting. So you have to wait for this until these devices are being connected. Just tap on allow to connect with other devices. Here you can see the devices have been connected. So you just have to select your data which you want to transfer. Here's the your all apps, videos, images, music, files and contacts. You can easily share with your second phone. Here I'm going to select this one from here, just tap on it, and here select the other apps if you want to send, then tap on send to send your data. So that's how you can easily transfer your data from Android to Android and free. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.